Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to play again Minecraft. Sorry we did not do a video for too long. So off, when we were off camera, we found the jungle. So I found bamboo. And then I found a panda that I used a bamboo to get him here. I locked him up in here, and that's all we did. And I died all my sheep. And there's an Enderman who was here the whole time, everywhere.
He was killing me before we started the intro.
Yeah.
Right there.
God, you have to just kill this Enderman. How?
Where is he? Right there.
I'm gonna go help my brother out.
Is he in the house?
Again?
You took my stuff, right?
No, I was right here the whole time. Okay, now, guys, so today we're gonna go back to the jungle.
Yeah, you took my leather too. No.
So now we're just going to. Oh, guys, this is the wandering trader that was out here. What do you trade? What do I need?
Everything emerald.
I have an emerald.
You have emerald?
Yeah. I don't need a pumpkin. Oh yeah, I need this for mushrooms too. Okay. And I will trade him this, but I don't know what I need it for. Maybe for the future. Okay, I got the things I need. Stay right here, wandering villager. I'm going to get you your emeralds. Oh, that's too much seeds. Okay, let me go.
Why do wandering traders got longer than them?
I have no idea. Okay, I'm here. I have my emeralds. Where are you? Guys, I got my emeralds from killing a raid. Okay, where is that wandering trader? Here. I want to trade you this. And that's all. Thank you for your trade.
You have to trap the two villagers.
Should I trap that wandering trader? Okay. Now I'm going to put this.
What's that?
I'm gonna keep it with me. I need this mushroom for mushroom stew. Where's the bowls?
Really good.
I need a bowl.
I decorated the top of my house.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out right now. After we just need to find anything I need. I can hear him from here.
Okay.
I need to put this fire coal, and I need to put eggs. Okay, I need these seeds, 10 seeds. I'm gonna go find a parrot for this video. We'll find our own parrots, guys. Okay.
Oh no.
Seeds.
How many seeds do you have again?
10.
I got 6.
10. So now I have to look. So now we're going to look. Go back to the forest and look. We're gonna stay there for a whole day. So let me get my vacation things.
I just got food. Yeah, I got food.
My vacation things are watermelon, cookies, a bed, and some tools.
Yeah, we're just going to go around like sleeping everywhere.
Yeah. I will take a map, so I'm not gonna be worried. Okay.
I'm going to get the.
What should I take? Tools. Oh, I should take a pickaxe, an axe, maybe a furnace. Indeed. Cookies, watermelon, and an apple. Okay, and that's all.
Now I need to go get my food.
And I have to organize a little of this. So I got a lot of dirt that I don't need. No.
I'm going to get the furnace for you. Because I'm going to
Also
make
me.
something.
I was bringing. Okay, I need a sapling. Put it inside the cheese. I have a jungle bitch.
We're going to also go like
Sapling.
a little mining, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bowl in case. Got my map.
Some weapons. Okay, I think we're ready to go.
I'm not ready to go. I have it. Okay. Over here, I'm gonna put the things I don't need. For example, these. Okay, I'm gonna get some boards in case I find a wolf.
I hate travel. So annoying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got in everything I need. I skipped my bed. I'm gonna go get my bed.
I need sticks.
I'm not gonna get my blue bed. I'm gonna get a red bed. But I don't know where I put it. Here. That's what I use for traveling. Okay. Got my bed. Let's go.
If you need one more stick.
I need an apple. Now I need to finish up my cookies.
How many sticks?
We're gonna get steaks.
Sticks. Dog plank thingy.
Okay, I'll get my seeds. Okay, I'm going. Bye bye.
Sticks.
Make sure you get.
a crafting table.
Okay, also me. I have a lot of crafting tables I don't need sometimes. I make. Where's any crafting table I can borrow?
That's my
Okay, I
camper.
need two of this. Yeah, I'm here. I'm going to make now. What should I need? Now I need to make a crafting table. I'm ready to go.
Yep, we're ready.
Boy. Bye.
Okay, we got everything we need.
Yeah. I'm coming. I'm waiting for you outside of your door.
I'm ready out here.
Where?
Up here.
Let's go together. Okay. So now let's go. I'll get my sword because it's rainy. We can't see that much, and maybe zombies can come because it's raining, so they will not get burned. That is a picture of white flowers, sunflowers, I think. Yeah, there's a jungle I'm gonna go to. Maybe we'll find the jungle temple. Maybe, guys.
But I heard about them. Like sometimes they're like tricks.
Yeah, they have ticks, but they don't hurt that much. It's like, and they have hidden chests like inside some traps. They have hidden chests inside it.
Like Minecraft.
Yeah.
What if these are cocoa beans? Cocoa beans. Maybe it'll be easier to find more pandas.
Yeah. But I didn't see one for a while.
You found two last time. But you're not getting any bamboo to get that from them.
But
Then
then-
you found bamboo and then you got that one.
Okay. What kind of leaf? Is this a leaf? Okay, that's a leaf.
Where are you? You're crossing?
You're crossing the river. I'm gonna go check my map. Okay, got my map. Got a map. So our home is from there, okay? Our home is right there, guys.
You can see it?
Yeah, I can see. I don't see it, but I know where is it in the map. How it looks like. Okay, maybe we'll find some bamboo I need later. In the future, some things we can't need them. Then I'm gonna get some coal.
Coal?
Yeah, I found some coal. Yeah. before it's blocked. There.
A hole?
No.
What's coal?
Yeah, I got some coal.
Why have you got some coal?
I need some coal.
I didn't got one because I only got some.
I got a furnace.
Don't tell me I got the furnace.
Hey, give me it back. A coal.
Can you go some stool maybe?
Guys, I didn't know charcoal we can get charcoal by getting wood and logs with it.
Now first you have to put the oak wood plank for fuel, then
Yeah.
the oak logs on top of it.
It's like it's actually get
It's
some
like
coal.
how you make coal.
Yeah, actual coal. Not from like finding it. Okay, now. Let me check if I know where's home. But yep, I know where's home. Still,
I think you have to go like
Step.
find the perfect space.
I'm gonna try sleeping.
Yeah, then you go to the top.
Yep, sleeping. It's time to sleep. Okay, get on bed. Okay, let's go. I think we're close to somewhere. Oh, look at that high tree. I'm going to see it.
Which tree?
That was not a high tree. I think we're beside the dark oak forest. We're exploring a lot. A bamboo shoot. See? This is how tall the bamboo shoot I had before.
Wow. Break the bottom of it and everything.
Yeah, that's what I did last time. I need some. Ow!
What?
Move. Who hit me?
Wow. That wasn't happy.
There's 10 bamboo.
I got 4. I see a birch tree.
I'm gonna mine some trees here. I mean, chop some trees here.
I'll just pour my crafting table and do something.
Guys, if we get a new world, we're gonna do this. Like, we're not gonna make a house, but we'll just walk everywhere with a bed. And guys, download add-ons. If you can get any world that is like challenge, like the Lucky Block challenge, you can use that to looking for them. I need to mine more cheese and I need to. Okay. Maybe I should make a hut. I got enough wood. Okay, I don't need. Okay, let me check my map. There's something that I can go to. No. Yeah, we passed the jungle wood. The jungle power. We passed the jungle.
I found a cow here.
So guys, we're gonna go to the. We passed the jungle biome. I'm gonna go back to the jungle biome. Yeah, I'm back here. Oh, that's a nice pool.
I lost you.
It leads. Wait, that was. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Yeah. Keep going there. That way. See me? No. No, you're going the wrong way. Then.
Here?
Yeah.
Here, keep going?
Yeah. Honey?
Not here.
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, I see you.
Okay.
Baby cow.
Nah, we don't need baby cows. They will not give us anything except
Leather.
experience.
What level are you?
I'm level 5. What about you?
1.
Level 1. Did you kill?
Yeah, I killed the cow.
These are thick trees. I like thick trees. I'm gonna collect them. Is that a ravine? I found a ravine. Good that I took my iron pick with me.
Yeah.
Or else it'll be in big trouble.
We forgot to get a bucket of water.
Guys, we're gonna do this. Iron! I think I need iron more than iron.
Don't push me.
I'm not gonna push you.
Make a staircase now.
But I don't have any materials except wood.
Maybe there's diamonds down there.
I have dirt.
I don't know any kind of block with me.
Okay, that's not enough.
I'm gonna bring a furnace and coal.
What do I need to make? I need to go back down there. Should I make a jump? Yeah, I'm gonna make a jump. No, that was a fake jump. I'm dead. I'm coming back.
I landed in the water.
I need to go back with
I
you.
landed soundly and safely.
I'm coming back.
There's iron.
Hey, I wanted the iron first. That's why you jumped here.
Hey, iron.
That's
No,
mine.
we get it.
No. I said whoever sees it, gets it. I need.
Wow.
Where's my materials? All of them are there or got burned?
All of them iron.
I don't know where are you.
I'm not take the iron you got.
Hmm?
I only got one piece of iron.
Yeah, it's not fair.
There's your iron. See it? It's there.
Should I teleport you?
Yeah.
But no, I can't. Because it's in survival mode. Okay, we're gonna go back to the ravine. So guys, this will be the end of the video. So sadly we didn't get a pirate or anything. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, please give a like to this video, and bye guys.